Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me again. I'm Orlin Srafibowi, and today, I would like to teach you about. Before that, actually, this video I record for my English project. That is making some IT tutorial. So maybe if you have watched my previous content before, it's about IT tutorial too, but it will be the different material. So if you see, the last material that I teach is about isometric design. So this time I would like to teach about motion in Figma. Yes. So if you know Figma, there is so many motion that you can make for your website, your UI mobile, or or your project, something like that. So I would like to show you my just the my simple landing page of my portfolio. So as you see, I would like to teach you how to make this motion. This motion. It call maybe slide to slide down until up motion. People usually, or maybe developer, or designer, they make this motion for their portfolio, their website, like this, or maybe any product they make. So just maybe just go to the page. So this is my project, my page in Figma. So I would like to teach you from the start. So just let's go to the blank file. So first you can type anything that you like. So maybe like what thing that describe yourself, like maybe I am. So wait. So maybe I am. So like tell you what you are, or what food you like, or your hobbies. So maybe if me, like I am uh so I would like to use popping fonts because it seems to it seems cool, I think. Yes, like this. And so remember, you should put one word or maybe one sentence. Don't mix it, because the motion will be moved together uh, with this word. So I suggest you to make one word again for the motion. Like maybe for me, UX designer. Oh, sorry. Yes, okay, like this. So okay, this is the first sample. You can see UX designer. Okay, so what again? Maybe website, web design. Okay, maybe what again? Maybe I'd like to do sport. No. Maybe just product design. It can. Okay, so maybe just take the example and then frame it. Okay, so you can use the shortcut, or maybe just click right and then frame selection, and then rename it to text motion. Okay, so crop the frame until like this. So don't forget to clip content it. Why it must clip content? Because if you didn't clip content it, the content inside will be show outside, so the result is like there is other words appear in down or maybe up if you're not content about it. So yeah, okay, if you just done like this, okay, so duplicate it until the last word. So yeah, like this, three, yes, like this, and then select all. Yeah, then go to the create component set like this. Yeah, so the first you scroll the second words, that is our designer like this. Okay, yeah, and then do this the same way with other. Yeah, like this. Okay, we got this. So then for the last, go to the prototype. Yeah, so setting it, I would like to just follow what I'm do. Yeah, so after delay is when you open some website or the project, it will delay, so it just automatic start. So I would like to put 1000 millisecond. Yeah, so if it for not too long or maybe not too short, so use smart animate and choose is in and out back and put 500 time. Okay, do the same way. Okay, okay, so yeah, just like this guys, it's so very simple. So let's try the website. So I will take this. Okay, I will make a sample. Now, so let's change the color first into black. Oh yes. Okay, let's check it on the component. Yeah, local text motion. Okay, here you go. Yes. Put the previously the text. Yeah, change it to maybe red. Yeah, or just send it. Oh yeah, maybe I suggest you to make the call different, yeah, so that people know that if it's a motion graphic like that. Yeah, like this. Okay, so let's check it if it work. If as you see, yes, it's work guys. Yeah, so like this, it's yeah, it's pretty easy as you see. Yeah, this is what we call a motion in Figma. Actually, there is many motion that you know in Figma. You can observe it in social media or internet like that. Okay, it's already 8 minutes guys, more than target. So maybe just that my lesson about motion Figma. Yeah, thank you for attention. So if I have a mistake, so see you guys to another time. Yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.